Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very cute miniature plant stand. This is made out of quilling strips. So I will show you how to make this beautiful stand and miniature pots with flowers. So let's get started. For this we need some 5mm and 3mm quilling strips, tweezer, any flower punch, quilling tool, liquid glue, scissor, some wired pollens, newspaper, purple craft paper, green craft paper and any wooden stick to make rolls. First I am taking this circle bottle which is having 3.5 cm diameter and I am making one ring using 3mm off-white color strip. So just wrap it around the bottle, add little glue, take out from the bottle and start making ring. For this I am using total 3 strips. So this is done. Add glue in the end. So ring is ready. Now apply some glue on top of this ring and spread this glue using brush so that the ring will be steady and strong. Now I am taking one strip of off-white color. Here again I am using 3mm strip and make one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 cm. So tight coil is ready. Now I am taking half strip of off-white color. First make one loose coil. Make teardrop shape and pinch slightly on top. In the same way I have created 7 more petals. So we need total 8 petals. Now I will assemble the wheel of the stand. Here I am making small wheel. So this is done and it's dry now. So I am connecting one half cut pearl in the center of the wheel like this. In the same way I have created one more wheel of same size. Now I am taking this big bottle which is having 8 cm diameter and I am making big pipe for the front large wheel. So just wrap strip again in the same way as we did before and start making ring. For this I am using total 8 strip to make this ring. Again add some glue on top of this ring and spread this using brush. Let it dry for some time. Now this is dry. I have created one more ring which is having 5 cm diameter with the same process and here I am adding some petals. These are the same petals as we did before using half strip. First I am adding all 4 corner petals, then connect the inside ring with these petals. And now I will fill rest of the gaps using other petals. have created total 16 petals for this shape. So it's done. Now I'm taking this big tight coil which is made using 2 strips and 4 leaf shape which are made using 1 strip. So I will connect these 4 leaf shapes first, and then inside these leaves I will connect this big tight coil. So the large wheel is also ready. Now I am taking one piece of newspaper which measures 30 by 10 centimeter. Take your wooden stick and start making pipe. Secure the end using glue. Take out your stick from the pipe. Now I will just fold this pipe in half like this, and I will cut the pipe on 8 centimeter width like this. Now connect both the pipes with each other. Now I will wrap these pipes with 5 mm white color strip. Cut excess strip and add glue. Now alternatively I will add one 5 mm off-white color strip around this. Secure the end. So this pipe is ready. Now I will connect this pipe between both the small wheels. So just add glue on both the sides and connect with wheels. Like this. Hold it for some time. Now the large wheel is also dry, so I am taking these 2 small pipes which are 7 cm long, and I have wrapped these pipes as we wrap the big pipe using 2 strips. Now I am connecting these 2 small pipes on top of this large wheel like this. Also add little glue on top and hold it for some time. Now I am taking this piece of pipe which is 12 cm long. First I will just roll this pipe on my finger to make it flexible so that we can shape it in any size. So here I am making S shape using this like this. So I will connect this S shape with the tire. So I have already created 2 S shapes and wrapped with the strips. Now I will connect both the S shapes with this large pipe first. Now connect both the strips ends with each other from top like this. Let it dry for some time. It's dry now, so now we can connect this with the front large wheel. So just add little glue and connect with large wheel. Hold it for some time. So it will look like this. It's completely dry now. I have created 2 small rings to connect the plants inside this. The diameter of this ring is 2 cm. So here I am connecting these 2 small rings. So I have added some glue and wrapping this with small strip. like this. So it's done. Now I will add the other ring on the top. So add little glue and connect this ring. Also I have created one tight coil using 2 strips of 5 mm and I am adding this on top of the cycle. Now I am taking this circular cardboard which is having 3 cm diameter and I am adding some off-white color tight coils around this cardboard. These tight coils are made using half strip of 3 mm off-white. So first round is done. Now I will create one more round on top of these tight coils. So it's done. This is a small kind of basket. So I'm connecting this small basket on back side on top of the big pipe. Let it dry for some time. Till that I will show you how to make handles. For this I am taking half strip of off-white 5 mm. Make one tight coil first. Insert one pencil through this and make a cone shape. Bend this cone little bit like this and add glue inside this. So I have already created 2 bended cones and 2 tight coils which are made using half strip. So first I will connect these tight coils with each other. Wrap this bunch of tight coils using white strip. Like this. And now connect both side handles with these tight coils. So now we can connect our handle on top of this tight coil. Add little glue and connect the handle. Hold it for some time. In the same way I have created one more ring and I am adding this ring in the front side. So just add little glue and connect this ring. So the basic cycle is ready. Now we will decorate this using plants. To make vase or pot I am using 8 strips of light brown color. Here I am using 5 mm strip. So first make one large tight coil. So the tight coil is ready. Now open the coil using your fingers to make dome shape. Here I am making vase or pot. Tap the center using backside of your tool. Add little glue inside this pot and spread this using brush. Let it dry for some time. It's dry now. Now I will connect some leaves. I am taking this paper which measures 2 by 8 cm. This is a simple green craft paper and I am cutting this in zigzag manner. Like this. Now just make some curls on these zigzags using your scissor or tweezer. Now add little glue and make a round like this. Now I will connect this bunch of leaves inside the vase and I am adding one piece of thermocol inside this and adding one green circle paper on top of this. I have already created some holes inside these circles so then we can tuck our flowers in these holes. So add this paper on top of the thermocol. Now I am taking this wired pollen. Take one small part of wired pollen. Take any punch flower. Here I am using red color paper flower. Insert this wire through the center part of flower. Add little glue. In the same way I will do with one more flower. Make hole in the center part of the flower. Insert wire and add little glue. So the flower is ready. In the same way I have created some more flowers. So I will just tuck these flowers inside these holes. So the cute small flower vase is ready. In the same way I have created one vase with pink flowers, one vase with purple flowers and one vase with yellow flower. Now our cycle stand is also ready, so we can connect the bunch of flower pots on top of these rings like this. Isn't it cute? So the beautiful quilled flower pot stand is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.